So some of you have been asking that how do you use any of the routers you have at home before as your extender? So instead of buying a TP-Link router or buying an external router, since you already have one of these or two of these, there's no point buying any other one. You just use this guy as whatever you want to use it for. So so that there will not be a waste. Now you will need a cable, a LAN cable, Cat 6 or 5 Cat 6 or 5e cable. That is exactly what is going to come from your Starlink router, and then it will plug in. So now instead of it plugging in to this place, into this place, what will happen is that you will plug it into this place. Now I discover out of the box, just directly out of the box, this guy works. The two of them, they work. Now the first thing I think you should do is pop out the SIM. You may need other settings, but basically just pop out the SIM so that you are sure you are not using the SIM. So let's power this up on. Let's power it on, and we will connect to the system. So it's still booting. The MTN router is booted, and then of course on the system you can see that on my system now there's no network. So let's just allow it to finish, and okay, you will see this thing is connected to AYXLN 5G. That is this, and there is no network. It's connected to it. So let me log into the portal. I think their own is 0.1. Let's wait. 192.168. What is it? Yes, I'm correct. 192.168.0.1. So I'll enter my password and just log in. So just like I explained, you are plugging this directly to your router. Now this is turned on. My system is connected to the 5G, the Airtel router is connected, and there's no internet. Let's try and just go to google.com. Let's try it so that you know that we are not connected, we are not on any internet. And actually this is the SIM, so it's been removed. You can remove it, and then you can go further by doing the settings to bypass it, but you'll see it will just keep loading. Nothing will come out. Nothing will come out. So now that we have ascertained that there is no network, can we now connect it? So you see this, you are connecting it just directly. Just pick any port and connect it. It's connected now. So we wait on the system and see what we've got. Let's check. I think within few seconds or minutes you should have internet here. You should have internet. It's going to show up that we are now connected. It's still showing us no internet access, but let's wait. We'll just give it some time, and there should be internet any moment soon. So we'll connect. Let's connect back. Now I had to reconnect. Now I'm connected back. Let's reload. In fact, automatically it's reloading. This is Google. Now let's do fast.com and check fast.com and check our network. You will see I'm connected to this router. There's no SIM inside. For you to see, there's no SIM inside, and my internet has been brought forward like farther from where Starlink is, and then this is working. Your phone can also connect to it. Anything you can just get yourself set up with your internet while every other thing else is going on. So with this, I think you really don't need this. With this, you don't need this. The same goes for the MTN router. Straight out of the box, all you just need to do is plug it in. when you plug it in. But please, whatever settings you want to put or whatever settings you want to set into your router, maybe password, whatever it is, please set it before you connect the cable, because after you have connected the cable and you now want to go to settings, it's either it does not open up or it tells you, so it's giving me 500 internal server error, so it's not going to work. It will really not work. So, but even your phone can connect to it. Your phone can connect to it. Let me try this. 8 gigahertz Airtel. Okay, I think I have what's it called? So this is Google. Let's reload. You see, it's reloaded, and I'm actually connected to 5 gig, the 5 gigahertz Airtel router. So that's how it works, and you are just good to go with your router. So you extend it further away from where that one is, and you'll be fine. It's just a short one to show you how it works straight out of the box. All you can now do is, for example, you want to change your IP address. If you want to be accessing the settings on the router, change your IP address. For MTN, the IP address is .0.1, so you can change yours to .1.1. so on Airtel it is .1.1. you can change yours to .2.1, so that they both will work, like you'll be able to access your this thing. So that's it, and I think with this you are good to go and you'll be fine with your internet. So what I will do now is that I'm going to restore back my internet, my Starlink cable, to this. So just plugged it in. Let's see what comes up. Did I just press it? Okay, so the internet is coming up. So now we are connected to the internet. The green shows we are connected to the internet, and let me stop this. So let's connect to TP-Link now. Let me connect to TP-Link, and of course we should be browsing. The moment I removed it from this, it's showing no internet. So we'll connect to TP-Link, and we'll be live in a moment. Connected. So starlink.com. Let's visit their website, starlink.com. So that's a voila. So we are good, and we are back on this, guys. So this can do the same thing. That I think the only difference is based on capability. There's a cap on this guy's speed. So depending on what you are buying, you should be able to actually get the right one. So if you still have further questions, I'll be in the comment section and I'll do it to answer your question. Thank you very much for engaging with my content. Please subscribe to the channel. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, enjoy your Starlink. And if you have bought yours, let me know. I can help you out with setting up. I'll see you again. Bye.